Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free website audit of the Puzzled Star. I'm on a homepage and I really love the logo. I love the colors. I love that you've got puzzles icon in the logo, so it's very easy for people to understand what you're offering, what to find. Mother's Day sale. I mean, it's great. I would show actually one of your products here because it will be much better for your conversion rate if people could see the example of the Mother's Day puzzle. It will prompt them to click and shop, which will improve your sales. However, you've got COVID-19, the announcement, so it means that the website is maintained, you are still shipping, which is perfect. Top navigation is user friendly. You've got shop, a link into your collections, which is perfect as well. I like the featured products, featured collections as well. Your featured collections look great. I love the layout. I love the images of the puzzles here. And I love this information about your store policies, which is perfect. The collection page looks great as well. I love this kind of custom image of those puzzles falling out, so people understand that this is an image they can put together, which is great. I can see that you optimize the product titles. I mentioned it earlier today on the Shopify forum, so I'm glad that you have already optimized the titles. So this is really good. Okay, the product page looks very nice, and I love that frequently bought together. So this is really good upselling strategy as well, and related products. So this is really nice. Okay, your shipping policy is very user friendly. I would add how much is the shipping as well to each location. You mentioned that it's over 50 Canadian dollars is free. However, make sure to specify how much is the shipping. On smaller orders, people will also be interested how much they're going to pay. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. And if you'd like to speak with a Shopify expert, book a free chat. The details are in the email. You can ask about how to optimize your website further or how to drive more traffic from Google. So don't miss this opportunity. Book your free chat, and thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.